Okay, listen up, because these are the red flags. These are the symptoms where you don't wait around. If you have a high fever, any kind of severe chest pain, or you're struggling to breathe or feeling short of breath, you need to get medical help right away. Seriously, don't mess around with these.
So let's boil it all down. If you walk away with just one piece of information, let it be this. If the cause is a virus, it spreads. If the cause is an irritant, it stays with you. It really is that straightforward. It all comes down to this single idea. It's the underlying cause, not the cough itself, that decides if you're contagious. So the next time you hear someone, or yourself, coughing, try to think beyond the sound. Think about the source, because that's where the real answer is. So I'll leave you with this to think about. Before this, what was the biggest thing you had wrong about coughing and being contagious? Because really, knowing the difference is the first, most powerful step you can take to keep